Good morning, guys. It's Monday, May 23rd, and I am here for another exciting week, despite the fact that I'm really tired and I have a new background. I also don't have a topic, so we'll see where that leads us. First thing I would like to talk with you about is some housekeeping rules / awesomeness. Lisa, on Friday you forgot to say why you were going to miss high school, so you're getting punished. Hopefully just something funny and cute. The other freshmen can decide what it is. I have no ideas, so it's up to Corinne, Joe, and Daniel to make that decision for me. Well, I think we should figure out some guidelines about what we can and can't do in our videos and how long they should go. Like, personally, I think we should put a 5-minute limit on our videos just so that they don't get out of control. The other rules are kind of insignificant to me, so if you guys can think of them, that's awesome. And if not, you know, we can make it a one rule thing, unless you guys hate the 5 minutes thing. Okay, now what to talk about? I don't have any ideas. The reason why this video sucks so much is because my computer's making this really weird, obnoxious, loud, hissing noise, and it's really bothering me, and I'm sunburned, which maybe you can see, and I'm not happy about. And today I went biking, and I'm really tired. Also, the lighting in my room is horrible. And during that time, just then, I was able to figure out what my topic is today. Okay, so when you're selecting a college, there is a lot of factors that go into deciding. I mean, class sizes, and sororities and fraternities on campus, and whether you want them or not, and dorm life, and the cooking on campus, and like who your professors are, and how much financial aid you'll get, and what the SAT scores are for that school. Well, there's another big factor, and that factor is this. It's a rock. I found it today while I was out walking by a stream, and I thought it was really pretty, so I picked it up. But this is important. The reason why it's important is because you have to think about location. If you really, really want to go to Columbia, I'm sorry, Lisa, I'm sure you want to go to Columbia. I'm just using Columbia as an example. And you've spent your whole life in the country, and maybe you don't like cities that much and they stress you out a bit, you probably should not go to Columbia. The same goes if you have grown up in a city and you are going to college in a place where you have to drive 3 hours to the nearest Walmart, which is like a big adventure to the people who go to that school. And I'm not saying you can't adjust, but it's important to think about what you like. Like, for me, I like rocks. And I know that's weird, and I'm kind of a hippie, but like, I appreciate trees and greenery and beautiful things in nature and less concrete than there are dirt paths. So I'm applying to Bennington College in Vermont, which is like on a hill and some barns. And I'm probably applying to Pitzer College in California because it's sunny and beautiful and there's lots of trees everywhere. If you like the craziness of the cities, maybe you should go to a school there. And if you don't go to a school there. Just decide what you want and apply to schools that fit your criteria, because you don't want to spend 4 years in a place where you don't want to live. I'm sorry if this video really stressed you out because I'm talking really fast and not making much sense, but I was just up really late last night looking at Glee Live photos, and Glee ends tomorrow, which freaks me out a lot because I'm not ready for it to be over this season, and I'm going to have a breakdown when it ends. I know that's kind of strange, and I shouldn't be saying that in public, but I am, because it's true. That's all I have to say, and I'm gonna let you guys go now because I've probably just wasted several moments of your life. But Corinne, I will see you tomorrow, and I loved all your videos last week, and I hope we will have you back this week, Daniel. And to all of the people who were like, oh, how many times did you roll the dice to get Joe? I rolled it 1 time. And just so you know, I can film that as many times as I want to get the number that I want. Even if you want me to show you the dice, I can still make it how I want it to be. So you're just gonna have to trust me on this one. I'll see you guys tomorrow.